my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. It is Juju, and I am here with prompt number 10, and that is for day 10, and that is layered. So this is what I did. I was going through some items, and I saw these little scrap packs, and I thought, okay. So I layered this up and just put scrapbook paper on top of scrapbook paper on top of scrapbook paper. So I layered it up with the coordinating scrapbook paper, and then that just kind of spoke country to me, like we need to be out in the yard working or something. So I put my little jean pocket on it, and put my little labels and stuff here, and layered those up with the little layered, the little layered cluster there. And that is Juju spread for number 10 for layers. All right. I thank y'all for visiting with me today, and I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am, because I'm having a ball with this. And I will see you on the next go round. Bye.